So you want to sell on Etsy, but what should you sell? What types of products will actually make money on Etsy and what's currently in demand? As trends come and go, it's more important than ever to be keeping up with the market and basing our business decisions on actual data instead of just selling what we personally like. Which is why in today's video, I'm sharing 6 top products that are best sellers on Etsy that you can start selling today to make consistent sales. Let's get it. So when we're deciding what products we should sell, it's important to think of the kind of buyer that shops on Etsy. Statistics show that over 50% of Etsy buyers are in the 18 to 35 age range, 60% are in the US, and over 80% are female. So though other demographics do shop on Etsy, when we're thinking of the majority of buyers on Etsy, we're going to be thinking primarily of millennial American females. So let's go ahead and go through these top 6 product types. For product type number 1, we're thinking about selling to the sellers. As Etsy grows, number of shoppers increases, but the number of Etsy sellers also increases. So with more sellers coming into the business space, there's more demand for the types of products these entrepreneurs and business people need. A lot of Etsy sellers are also Etsy shoppers, so there are tons of different products that we can think of when we're selling to new Etsy sellers. These are things they can use in their business, like monthly budget spreadsheets, digital planners, mock-up bundles, and idea PDFs. Now, most of these types of products are going to be digital products, and if you're interested in starting to sell digital products, but maybe you don't really know where to start or how to begin with digital files and what all of it includes, then you definitely need to check out my free training class, Digital Product Powerhouse. It's a free hour-long in-depth dive masterclass where I go through start to finish of how to start and grow a successful digital products business. We talk about everything from what digital products are and different file types to deciding on the right product type for you and where and how you're going to create your products, and then finally how to sell your products and get them making consistent revenue. So if you're interested in joining that masterclass, I'll have the link in the description box below and you can click on that to watch as soon as you get done with this video. Product type number 2 is seasonal decor. Here we're talking about any type of product, physical or digital, that people can use for decorating for seasons or holidays. So we're thinking fall, winter, spring, summer, holiday specific like maybe Thanksgiving or St. Patrick's Day, or even decor for special occasions like weddings and birthdays. Some examples of items that are selling really well right now on the platform are unique mugs. So these are any kind of mugs or coffee cups that aren't standard but have something really unique about them. Wreaths in seasonal styles and colors. Here we'd be thinking of really rich, earthy tones for fall and autumn seasonal wreaths, Christmas colors for the holiday season, and light and airy or cheerful colors for spring and summer. Also selling really well currently are seasonal signs. So here we're thinking about things for fall, like maybe mushrooms, fall colors, pumpkins, or other trending colors and graphics for the other seasons. And moving on to product type number 3, minimalist jewelry. Here we have an example of a sub-niche, with the larger niche being jewelry in general, but minimalist jewelry being a targeted sub-niche that has a lot of bestsellers and Etsy Picks listings, proving the demand, but isn't quite as tapped out in terms of supply, meaning that there may be a really great potential pocket in this niche for jewelry makers. Now, there are all kinds of jewelry that sell well on Etsy, but when we're thinking of minimalist jewelry, we're again thinking of that millennial American female that makes up the majority of Etsy buyers. A lot of millennial females are attracted to this type of minimalist jewelry, which explains why it sells so well on the platform. Then we've got product type number 4, which is anything personalized for him. Many times we might think of personalization as something that women are drawn to, but we have to think again of our shopper here, that millennial female, and she's looking for personalized gifts. Maybe every now and then she's treating herself to something, but most likely she's buying gifts for those around her, for the people she loves, which again explains why the term personalized for him is a major keyword on Etsy. She might be looking for a gift for her significant other or her dad or her grandpa, which a lot of times personalized items for men can be hard to come by. We're talking about customized items like wallets, belts, knives, watches. The key here is to think about the combination of something that's useful and thoughtful. When we're considering the type of product to sell, we can also look at the current data, which says that 80% of all revenue that comes in on Etsy comes in the categories of housewares, home furnishings, jewelry and personal accessories, craft supplies, apparel, beauty and personal care, and paper and party supplies. Now, our next product type has to do again with this millennial female that's most likely our buyer on Etsy, and this product is everything 90s. Those millennial females most likely were growing up in the 90s and are now wanting nostalgic items, including 90s clothing, hair accessories, party decor, and novelty items. You can pretty much create any product with 90s styles and colors, and it'll fly off the shelves. And our next product is digital prints. We're specifically talking about digital art that can be printed out by the user. And there are certain style types that are currently really popular, including anything with flowers, mid-century modern styles, abstract shapes, and watercolor. Now, this kind of printable wall art is considered a digital product. So again, if you're interested in starting to sell digital products and need a step-by-step guide on how to actually go about creating them, learning the different file types and resolution and sizing, and how to get them set up to sell on your online sales platform to make consistent sales, then definitely click the link in the description box below to check out my free training class, Digital Product Powerhouse. I hope this was helpful for you, friends, and I can't wait to see where you go with your online business. Talk soon.